So what's up, my boys? What's up, my boys? Let's go working, my boys. Hello, Profan. Hello, Itmemero. Welcome, bro. Welcome. So. I need to allow our players buy our special offers only once. Let's make that. Check special, buy special. So we need to do this one. Command shop, check special. I think we can make in domain shop also thing which check how much money we have, right? Why not, my boys? Why not? Let's do that. Probably we can place this method right here. Hello, Noel. Welcome, bro. Welcome. Check money. Money balance. So we need to check if balance minus money more than 0, then more or equals, yeah, more or equals, because probably 0, then return true. If not, return false, or just return nil. I think return nil. And here we also can return nil. So, and why we do that? Why we do all of that? Okay, what's that? Check special. Check bot will be this one. Yo, what are you working on now? I'm working on best deals for our players. These are special offers which players can buy only once. For example, some sales crates which updates every day, like this one. Imagine 99 Nights developing this game. Have you played 99 Nights? No, bro, not yet. So, check bot. Local check money. Oh, then return true end, yeah. Return. Okay. Check check money, domain shop, check money, and we need to get data. No, wait, deal dot price, I think, or new price, probably new price if I'm not wrong. New price and balance. This is data, currency, yeah, like this one. 99 nines in basement development is W. Yes, bro, yes. Okay, if check bot and check money, then okay, if not check bot and not check money, then just we need to return end. Will there be inflation and capitalism? Of course, bro, of course. This is the main feature of this game. Okay, if not check bot and check money, then return end. So if we have not enough money and if we already bought this thing, if all right, we can call this one, self data controller, but here's we need probably deal name, I think, and deal amount. Oh no, deal dot amount. Bro, I almost dead. Bruh. Okay, let's go here. Hello, Phoenix. Yeah, breathe, bro. Okay, buy crate. Let's go in our infrastructure, data controller, and buy crate. Date currency. Okay, we can remove this really. So because we check, we make this check when we buy our crate. We don't need it to put it here really. No one pinged me, really? Hello Phoenix, hello. Welcome, bro. Okay, check money, just we need to check if not check bot, then return end. If alright, we just make self data controller. If not buy, then return end, like this one. Yeah. So local buy equals to this one. If buy, okay, if not buy, then return end. And here's return data, I think. Data, self data, yeah, I think. By the way, Profan, what are you working on? This is shop service. This is shop service, and this is special offers which players can buy only once per day, like some sales or maybe yeah, sales, best deals for every day, like this one. So let's go in our where we call that shop system, infrastructure. Here is we need best deals viewer, probably, or wait, where we call that? Probably in the viewer we call that function, and we wait for response to that. Okay, local remotes by special. I know guys how we can do that. I know. We can do that like true and self data, like this one. Success data. If success, then we're gamble in our basement. Capitalism and communism basement edition. Yes, bro. Yes, definitely. So shop frame, items, this one, best deals, big template, for example. And here is should be sold frame, of course, sold frame. We need somehow, oh wait, self-selected items. What's that? 1 second, guys. Okay. Oh, my camera's okay. My camera works, I hope. So, the problem, we don't have. Oh wait, this is for viewer only. So sold frame for viewer we need, right? Let's copy that. Go into the viewer. Go inside our best deals. Model window. Let's see. I wanna see that. Canvas group, and here is sold frame. Let's make it visible. Sold, like this one. What the hell? Nice. Sold frame. So nice, we have that. And what is buttons? Self GUI best deals. Self GUI best deals. Model window, canvas group, and sold frame here. Sold frame dot visible equals true. If not, just do nothing. Why not you just change the text color? What's the text color, bro? What do you mean? Maybe I forget something. Let's check. Probably in local remotes, I think there is a problem. Let's go in our local remotes. Buy special, invoke server, create, okay. Bro is making the shop like grow garden but restocks daily. Yes bro, yes. Big UI bro, to be honest, that's better than average. Thank you very much bro. I learned that from you bro. I learned that from you. Oh, we need to return something here, of course. Okay, return shop by special. And okay, no, let's make local success data. If not success, then return end. If alright, we first update player data event, of course, and also return success, like this one, I think. So people like me don't abuse our coins. Address token costs basement coins. Yes, yes bro. Okay, let's see where it stops. Print 1. Okay, it goes here. It grow offline feature. Yes bro, we grow a garden here instead of playing. I think this will be better, definitely. Okay, success date, maybe I'm not return that. Let's check. Wait, maybe in shop service I'm not return that. By special player deal, right? No, I return that. Nil, okay, that's cool. Let's check what's a nil. Nil. Why nil? By special data, the controller checkbot. Okay. Print checkbot. Maybe I already bought just that. Probably. Okay, let's wipe the data. We grow in crates. Yes bro, yes. Growing survivors, I think. Oh, nice. Let's go. Nice. Okay, great. Yeah, just I already bought that. That's why it didn't work. Okay, great. So, all right, I think. So. So let's go here. Grow basement. Yes bro, yes. Will the crates will automatically open if you open them and you need to wait for hours. For me, waiting for crates daily, it's hard enough, so bad idea in my opinion. What? Will the crates will automatically open if you open them and you need to wait for hours? Bro, what? Why you need to, when you open the crates, need to wait 2 hours? You think animations will be a couple of hours? Or what? For me, waiting for crates daily is hard enough, so bad idea in my opinion. I didn't get you, bro. What do you mean? Okay, so if you about like daily crates, no, bro, these crates you get from the shop, but definitely there will be like daily tasks where you can get some coins to buy crates, or something like so. I think will be definitely, because it's more interesting, but like daily crates I won't make, I think. Probably you can get coins from the tasks for completing tasks. Okay. You open a crate, then a timer starts. To unlock the crate, you need to wait for hours. Oh, I've got it. What do you mean, probably? Wait. You open a crate, bro? To unlock the crate, you need to wait 2 hours. No, it won't be here. This is will be like in Counter-Strike, bro. In Counter-Strike, like the same thing. I wanna just you buy a crate and you open the crate. Right here. Okay, so let's make the same thing for our 444. Let's make this false. False. Okay, I wanna make little different this thing. Let's go to create system, infrastructure, configs, survivor crates. Let's go here. No, not survivor crates, my bad. Shop system, and here's current week deal. Let's place some deals here also, like this one. Okay, great. So for example, I want to buy this thing. I can buy that, right? I can buy this one. Okay, I know what's the problem. Wait, I have an idea. What's the idea, bro? Day 80 already. No way, bro. No way. Which some games have. Okay, bro, I'll listen to you. Okay. We need to activate that. So can we get the data here? I'm interested. Amount. No, we don't have a data. If you're working as a dev but not making revenue, how do you make your money, bro? Bro, I'm not responding questions about my money, because this is my personal information and I'm not sharing that. So how we can make that Yeah, we need to make that. Maybe let's create a table here where we store IDs. Or okay, let's self boat offers self bot offers, and here we just store some ID for our things we bought. Okay, table insert table, and here's we need self selected item ID. I hope if we have that. Let's check that. Print self selected item ID. Yes, great. They all have ID too. No, this one. Okay, wait, what the hell? 1 1 2. Okay, right. 1 1 2. Do you have a laptop? Do you recommend PC over laptop? I have PC, bro. I use laptop for a very long time, like, but they all wasn't powerful like PC. Recommend me or not, bro? All depends, bro. What's the price? But compared to PC, you can spend the same amount of money, and you can get more powerful PC compared to laptop. If you have infinity money, bro, or a lot of money, if I were you, I definitely would take laptop. Just because I think in the future I want to live in the basement and I travel, and travel with laptop is definitely easier, bro, for me. Will be than just bring a PC everywhere. So all depends on your needs, bro. If you always at home, bro, just buy PC. You really can get more powerful computer for the same price, because the purpose why a lot of people take laptops, this is because of the size, bro, because of the size. This is my idea, and I need answer if you're gonna add it or not. So offline roles, you just get offline, then wait for hours to get coins and crates. Basically it automatically rolls your coins and crates while online. Bro, I don't understand how you imagine this game. Probably you think this is gambling simulator, bro. This is not gambling simulator. Or grow a garden crates. No, bro, this is not about this. Why you think you need roles offline, bro? What the hell? Like, I wanna, like, players play my game instead of just make offline roles and not enter the game. What the hell? What's the purpose of that? I don't understand, bro. What's the purpose? But it's kept in 5 hours or 8 hours to limit rewards gotten while offline. No, bro, no. Just I think will be daily tasks, and they sometimes will be easier, sometimes will be harder, and with more rewards. This is better, bro, because offline this is not this game, bro. Just for what? Like offline, you mean players even doesn't enter the game? For what, bro? Just a lot of players join once in a year and not play this game at all. What the hell? Why I need to do that? Probably not. I have laptop for $100 laptop, and I don't know, I wanna sell for PC. I can use it. I'm bad. Bro, I recommend you, if you don't no needs to move a lot, to travel a lot, I highly recommend you to buy PC better, really, because I bought PC, bro, and this is definitely with laptops, bro. The problem, you can't change you can't replace with new component. For example, you have inner graphics cards, you use this card. In PC, bro, I just wanna buy the more powerful CPU. I just replace CPU, bro. This is really, and you even don't need a lot of skills to build your own PC, because there is a lot of tutorials and I built my own PC with no experience, bro. Absolutely, absolutely, by using just one tutorial on YouTube. So that's not a problem. So that's it. Thanks for the for the answer. No problem, bro. Hi, hello, welcome. I mean, they can enter the game to get rewards they got from online roles, but okay. Bro, there is no roles. This is first one. Instead of roles, to engage people, to keep people in the game, instead of just entering the game, I think will be better. Like I like how it's made in Rivals. You need to play at least 20 minutes, for example, to complete daily tasks and get some coins, for example. And for these coins you can buy definitely a couple of crates every day, easily. So yeah, and sometimes these rewards will be more valuable compared to others, sometimes will be easier, probably random tasks, and they have a chance, probably, yeah, and they automatically placed every day, like so. So because offline, yes, if I would build the game like Grow Garden, probably, yeah, it can be good, but this game not a Grow Garden, bro. So that's it. For fun, it's very important to be the client, not just the dev, so you know what the player expect. Maybe act down while playing your game so you can make it easier for the player. It's very important to be the client, not just the dev. So you know, probably not a client, you mean probably to be the player, I think, not only the dev. If you about this, yes, bro, absolutely agree about that. And I saw some developers, some big developers, who definitely not play their games, and it feels absolutely really, they don't know what player wants. This is first, because they not play their games. This is not about Roblox, this is about other game. And this is a really bad approach, because when you don't play your game, this is you can't make it properly. I think you can't make it properly. It's pretty complicated, or you just yeah, maybe you have a lot of money and big team who play your game, whereas some testers who play your game only, like so, I think. Maybe kill 50 basement monster for OP basement crates. Like so, bro, like so, but not so hard. If the lightning strike and it's so loud since it's near. That's cool, bro. That's cool. I like lightning strike and rain, but in my region this is not too often. So sometimes there is a hot. I got that from Minecraft founder. Yes, bro. Yes, yes. This is absolutely. This is definitely important, bro. You're right. Absolutely. Uh, because, but at the same time, bro, this is pretty hard to make, like, so, because for example, I see my game every day, almost every day, guys, and it's pretty hard to rate it properly. Sometimes you start to think, oh, maybe this game not good enough, or maybe this game is bad, maybe this game is boring. But sometimes it happens because you see that every day and you start to get tired of that, and that's it. So absolutely right, bro. But at the same time, I think the best thing when you play your game and also listen your players, this is very important, because really sometimes usually developers can't rate their games properly, and other people who play test helps with that. So that's it. Can you add skins for player and monster? Bro, when you open the crate, now you see the skins, the crates, or the skins for survivors will be like so, you see, but this is only for test. I think when you open the crate, for example Ninja, and we have parameter for each survivor, random parameter quality responsible for stains on our skin, for how clear will be our skins. Hello, welcome. How clear will be our skin? So the best quality will be with no stains, with no scratches, and absolutely clean. And also I thought the quality will be responsible for skin. So for example, the lowest quality ninja will be probably just a guy with black shirt and with black pants, something like so. But the best quality this ninja from the same crate will be with hood, with I don't know, katanas on his back or something like so, with a lot of elements on his skin. So I also, but we'll make it later. I'll make models in Blender with you guys. You'll see how it looks like later. So now, of course, it looks a little bit boring because I just use the models for testing, and this is just my model. This is not the final ones. So I think really skins will depends on crates. Just make separate skins. Probably no, bro. Probably no. I don't know. I have top. I have in the shop top skins in the inventory skins, but I'm not sure, bro. I'm not sure that it will be in the game. Maybe later. So for now, I have a concept where we really just open the crate, and there's will be skin depending on quality, like so. So your game is good, but bro, your game is like catching childhood game. But how do you accept player go do grind or come back? Your game is good, but bro, your game is like catching childhood game. But how do you expect player do grind or come back? Thank you, bro. How do you expect player to grind or come back? I should to add progress, definitely, bro. Player should have aims, objectives, yeah, objectives, aims in the game, and progress. Probably, I don't know, maybe I'll make some ranks, maybe I'll make some upgrades. So we need I need to provide the player definitely some progress, so the player feels like he played this game and he gets something, definitely. What will be this one? I'm not sure for now, but I have some ideas, and when we start making abilities and main game, when the game will be closer, when we will be closer to main game cycle, I'll decide what I want to choose, and we'll decide with you guys, and you help me probably what will be better in this case. Level 1 normal guy with level 1000 basement monster. Yes, bro, yes. I prepared for have a plan B if the game flops. Flops, this is probably like fail, yeah? I think flops, this is like a fail. Bro, if really it's impossible to promote this game on my own power, by using YouTube, by using TikToks and some other resources which I have, definitely, bro, definitely will be, definitely I'll try to find investors maybe, and try to promote this game like so. But I hope I won't need to do that, because it's very interesting challenge for me to avoid all of that and make all of that for free. Because if it's possible, guys, I wanna that it's this way will be a motivation for you guys who have doubts about doing something here, because I don't have money, I don't have powerful computer, so my phone overheated, my brothers, from time to time, and I'm still streaming, my boys. So so that's it. Plan B, bro. Yeah, some plan I have, but this is like the last instance. I'll try to do my best to avoid all of that, of course, and yeah. So that's it. Yeah, flop is failure. Thank you, thank you. Promote investor, promote testers in basement. Yes, yes, bro. So anyway, bro. Even if I won't find investors, I have plan C. I just started a new project, bro. This project has already, I even not released that. It's already give me a lot of experience. Like I grow my skills like 1000% more. I grow a good community around me. I like to talk with you guys, and you help me a lot, guys, and thank you for all of that, guys, and I really enjoy all this way. Anyway, I'm already a winner, bro. So so really, even this game has already give me more than enough, bro, more than enough. And if it will be successful, bro, will be great. If not, okay, but I'll try to do my best to make it true anyway. So because I wanna prove to myself and prove to you that it's possible. Me and my bro fight every day, and after one day we're good. Okay, bro. So guys, I'll be here in 5 minutes. I'll make tea and I will be back. What's up, bro? Welcome, Enricolox. So, my boys, 5 minutes, I'll be here. Alright guys, I'm gonna eat and I'll be in 15 minutes because tea is not enough. So okay, 15 minutes I'll be here. Yo, profound Fernando dropped a new update and I learned 2 new words. What? What, bro? I don't know what is Fernando's. Okay. Enjoy a meal. Thank you, bro. Thank you very much, my boys. Yo, bro, I improved my game but bit now. I don't know if you remember me. Yeah, remember probably. But I don't remember what's your game. Enjoy your meal. Thank you, bro. Thank you very much. So guys, 15 minutes I'll be here. I'm gonna eat, my boys. I'm back. So, my boys. So let's see if we have ID. Probably yeah. Welcome back. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. For fun, yeah, bro. I listen to you. Self bot offers. Selected item ID. No, probably. Yeah, if our player rejoin, it doesn't work. We need to make it different a little bit. We need to make it here when we show. We need to get some data. Okay, we probably can get our data. So let's remove bot deals from here, and let's go in our data controller. Yeah, we have a method get data here. This is not the best way to connect these two things, or not. No problem. Data controller, require infrastructure layer, data controller. Okay, data controller. Local data equal data controller, get data. What a player. We need a player. Yeah. Bro, how do you deal with nervous when something big is about to happen, like a big day? How do you deal with nervous when something big is about to happen, like a big day? Bro, just everyone nervous, bro. Everyone nervous about a lot of things. But I just think about this. I need to overcome that, because it'll be worse for me if I want to do something, bro. So I also, bro, afraid some things. I also nervous sometimes. But when I make that step, I just feel really good after that, always. When you have doubts, should I do that or not? Definitely yes. If this is not something bad, of course. So if this just some good things, yeah. Yo, go to school the next day. Okay, bro. Okay. Profan, can you rate my site? Like website or what? Of course, bro. Of course. Let's go. Profan, what do you do is go to school the next day? Yes, bro. Yes, bro. School and in 27. This is definitely what I need, bro. This is definitely. Yes, okay, bro. Okay, you can send. There's not a loud link if I'm not wrong. Yeah, you can send in my Discord. In Discord, bro. In Discord. I'll check it after the stream. Okay, so. maybe we can't get the data from here. Profan, you're a really good person and you're always answering to comments and doing the right thing with wise replies. Thank you, bro. I'm very happy to hear that. And yeah, thank you, bro. Just I do that because, bro, I also struggle with a lot of things in my career, in my life, and I also had a lot of doubts, a lot of so I couldn't find myself a lot of time, and I tried a lot of things, and I developed the game alone 1.5 years, my first game here, and of course, bro, I just feel like I can help some of you to avoid my mistakes, and if it happens, I'll be really happy, because it's better when you try to learn on someone's mistakes instead of making your own. Making your own, this is also important, but anyway, you can't avoid your own mistakes, even so. But probably I hope it helps to some of you guys to overcome your difficulties, which will be ahead on your life, because this is, guys, not about what I told, like about things which not about Roblox. Sometimes I tell you so just because, guys, this is not about Roblox, this is not only about Roblox, this I tried a lot of things in my life, so just all the knowledge you can get here, you can use it in other your hobbies, in other your work, so that's why it's so, bro. Hope it helps some of you. I hope that never changes. Yes, bro. I don't know. Of course, I'll try to focus always on my loyal audience, because this is more important, in my opinion, than I would have 1 million viewers right now, and most of them tell me something really weird thing or just disturbing me. So I think to build really friendly and good community, I need to start with something small community, and other guys who are really interested about this just also join our community. So I'll try to focus on our small but close community, guys. At least now it's possible, because there is not a lot of people here. In the future, I don't know, bro. I don't know how it will be, but I'll try, of course, to do to respond as much as possible. Anyway, because this is live streaming, guys. For me, this is the way where you can talk with streamer. So this is like conversation, of course. And if I wouldn't react on the chat at all, it's probably weird a little bit. So that's it. It gets horrible each type. What? I sent you. Okay, bro. I'll check it after the stream and tell you feedback. I find it impossible to change, but I don't know. I find it impossible to change, but I don't know how you did it. Went from YouTuber to musician to dev and much more. For me, it's really hard to give up on the dream. I find it impossible to change, but I don't know how it went from YouTube. Yes, bro. Yeah. I just tried to always find myself, and I started something, and in some time I understood like this is boring for me, for example, or I don't want to spend on these 10 years like so. Anyway, this is absolutely amazing experience, all of that. You guys also shouldn't complain about something. This is all your experience, even if you think, oh, why I did this thing 1 year or 5 years. This is absolutely not like so, guys. This is experience you get, and now sometimes I really understood that that's true, because a lot of things helps me from my past. Like, I know how to edit videos. So imagine I just started a YouTube channel with zero experience. I needed to develop the game, learn that. I needed to watch a lot of tutorials about video editing, and I needed to watch a lot of tutorials how to work with sounds, and of course this is pretty hard. So that's it. Life is so unpredictable, bro. Life is so unpredictable. So I don't know, bro, where will I be in 10 years, for example, even in 5 years. I think I have some plans, of course, but I'm not sure about that, because bro, 5 years ago I even lived in other country, and I thought I would live here the whole my life, and now I am here. So that's interesting. I really like how it goes. Yeah, sometimes it's hard because of the war, for example, but anyway, it makes me stronger, and hard times grow strong people, bro. So if you face some hard times, bro, just keep in mind that thing. So you just need to be strong. Of course, it's not like instantly happens. You need to overcome a lot of things in your mind. You need to fix a lot of problems in your mind, because when the war starts, for me it was very scary. So I never thought that I ever will be inside the war, so like this one. But bro, instead of just depressed about that, I start working and doing things along 3 years, bro. Not 3, even 4 probably already. So that's it. So my boys, so where we can get the data here? Like it will be good if we get some. Oh wait, what the? Oh wait. So I already have the data here, right? Yeah, I already have the data. Nice. CG5, what's that? You should have a text somewhere showing us what you're working on. Bro, it's pretty hard to make a text every time, because I worked on different things. Like, it's pretty hard to explain to text every time. It takes time, bro. But if you need, I explain to you. Now I'm working on shop service, and this system right now, currently I'm working on best deals. Like, this is some sales, this is some discounts, which every day uploads, like this one. You're currently doing UI work? Mainly yes, bro. yeah, mainly yes, but not only. This is the whole system, bro. This is shop system. It includes UI and also includes server scripts, of course. Server scripts where we add an item, for example, which we buy on something like so. This is the whole shop system I'm making. So self data. What is data here we sent here? Let's do like so. I think let's do like so. Self data equals to data. Why not? So we actualize our data if success. If success and data. So and let's check. We don't need a data controller. Absolutely. Data controller. Let's remove that. And let's go here, my boys. We need to check. We need to check what? Salt frame. We need to put here salt frame first. First we need to, okay, let's maybe create a method for that. I know, function deals viewer check bot check bot, and let's go this one, but still check bot. So what is checkbot does? Checkbot does new offer ID. We just sent an ID, and by using ID we need to check in our we need to check if it's inside our data. Yeah, like this one. So self checkbot ID. New offer ID we place here. Like this one. What is the game about? This is like hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors each level on the procedural generated maps. Here is a pinned message in the chat. Here is 4 minutes video about this game. Yeah, that's it. If you want, you can watch here. So, okay. Checkbot, we just need to... Okay, local bot. Bot. Let's place it. I think we can place it even down here, like this one. Template. Wait, I don't need a template here. So you're a Lua developer, developer. Yes, Lua, this is for Roblox special. Yes, Roblox developer, bro, on Lua. So checkbot, we need checkbot. If bot, then go to let's check where in our viewer best deals, viewer best deals, model window, canvas group, and salt frame dot visible equals to true. Let's create for this one, instead of that variable, local salt frame, like this one, and let's define that like a frame, like this one. Salt frame dot visible equals to true. If not, salt frame equals to false, of course. like this one, my boys. So let's unite this because bot we need only here. So okay, we have a new offer ID. I wanna see what is offer ID, by the way. So would you do this as full-time job if you were to start making money off its Roblox dev? So would you do this as full-time? Bro, it's already my full-time job. It's only thing I do. This is the whole of this, like YouTube and Roblox. This is my full-time job, bro. So okay, what is new offer ID? I wanna check. Print new offer ID and self.data. I wanna check. Okay, just ID here. Let's go. 2 and this one. Okay, deals purchased. Okay, let's check that. How did you learn Lua? I just started with some tutorials. I started making my first game. This is Memes Tower Defense, and I found some tutorials about that from GNOME Code, and after it finished, I started to just find something step by step. For example, I need to make a timer for my game. I find just bro how to make a timer for the game. I need to make sprint for the player. I find how to sprint. So you don't need, bro, definitely to learn everything you see in on your way, bro, because 90% of that you definitely forget, and you need to just keep in mind that, because people forget everything very fast if they not practice that. And this is again, guys, this is again not only about Roblox, guys. This is really important. So when I learned Blender, I found the best, really a very good course tutorials on YouTube, and I passed through all of that. And after that, after 1 year, I started to make in Blender my models for my game. And guys, because I didn't use this knowledge at all, I forget everything. So I even didn't remember the simplest things, like how to change the size, how to move objects or something like so. So yeah, you need to practice your knowledge, and you need some time to refresh that. This is very important. Nice, yeah man, you have the main skill, you're gonna make it one day. Thank you very much, my friend. Thank you very much for these heartwarming words, bro. Professor Pencil 12, Dustin Shop 6 on the line. Hello, thank you very much. How much time it took you to learn it? Bro, I still learning, bro. I still learning. I don't see, at least for now, I don't see the end of that, because because from time to time, for example, recently, bro, I learned meta tables and object-oriented programming. There's a lot of things, bro. There's a lot of things you can always improve your skill, but like the main Lua, the whole syntax or something, I don't know, bro. I don't know. I have only 1.5 experience, and bro, after probably 6 or 8 months, I already feel confident here, and I start to do a lot of things really confident without a lot of tutorials. So that's it. I don't know, bro. This is all depends what's your end point, bro. I still learn, bro. I still learning. I still watching some interesting things. I learn how meta tables works. I learn how OP, how to structure my games or something like so. There's always, I think, you can. This is endless process, I think, bro. it's gonna take at least 1-2 years to hand off it. I don't know. Feel confident, bro. Probably you can feel after 6 maybe to 8 years if you do it a lot of that. So I think like 8 months. I think you'll definitely will feel pretty confident to make a lot of things on your own without any tutorials, bro. This is my point. Of course, maybe I'm not right because I don't remember how it was for me, bro. So that's it. So when you learned full Lua, did you have any goals? Yes, bro, of course. I have goals to make successful games in Steam. Of course, my boys. Of course, goals in the future for the future I have. But how it will be in the future, I don't know. This is just my goals. Because I feel there's one day I feel the limit here. I feel the edge when I'll be a professional here definitely one day, because I'm learning and anyway, when I start to learn new language and new engine, it'll be easier. It will be definitely easier because I already have some patterns in my mind. I already have some structures, how to organize my code, for example, how to don't repeat yourself, and these principles, or how to call it. So yeah, bros, of course, I wanted to reach the summit on Steam like this. It might not take 1-2 years. I have only really been scripting for like 1 month, and I can already do pretty cool stuff, so don't worry. Yes, bro. Guys, I want to tell you about the programming. Maybe you think good programmer who keep in mind all that thing, like know everything, syntax, learn everything, learn every services or something like so. No, guys, the good programmer, guys, this is the guy who know where to find info. This is very important skill, and you need to focus on that, guys, who's new. And this is not only my point. This is a lot of programmers, experienced programmers tell you about that. If you know how to work with documentation, bro, you can make everything almost. If you know how to work with developer forum, documentation, and what else we have? Just Google, okay. Just Google, maybe AI if it's comfortable to you. Why not? If you know how to work with these tools, you don't need to keep in mind like the whole syntax in Roblox. This is absolutely you fill your brain for just for nothing, and this is no need, bro. This is no need. You need just know, because guys, for example, I don't use Twin service too often, and I've already did it like a lot of times in my projects. But every time when I need to create Twin service, I find how to I need to put the value, how I need to create the twins, because I forget that. But that's not a problem. I just Google that and I remember how to, like in a couple of seconds. Oh, okay, that's it. So guys, don't worry. So yeah, all depends, bro. Like all depends on your aims, bro. If you wanna create obby, you can create obby, bro, with no experience. You just need some tutorials, some time. If you wanna create realistic simulator with RPG elements, with FPS FPS guns which really register proper bullets and so on, of course it will be more difficult, bro. It will be multiple times difficult, more difficult. So all depends on your goals, bro. All depends on your goals. So Profan, how could we stay motivated to keep learning Lua? Guys, of course, we all have bad days. We all have difficult tasks and we'll have ahead a lot of them, me and you also. So just keep in mind, guys, this happens with everyone, even with experienced developers. Happens bad days when you don't know how to code, when you don't know, when there's a lot of bugs in your game. That's okay, guys. That's always like so. But don't forget, guys, when you overcome all these difficulties, you grow as a developer multiple times, because instead of give up, guys, you continue. And guys, I never regret about when I solve any problems in on my way here in Roblox. Never. But probably I would regret if I wouldn't do that, like so. And you sometimes face some difficulties, face some bugs, and which really helps me to keep working and don't give up, guys. This is the thing, like if this bug or this problem is solved in any Roblox project, so it means, bro, you can solve this also in your game. Definitely you can do that. And usually, guys, this is not so hard as you think, because I already faced a lot of times that. But I thought, okay, so this is a big studio, I don't know, like tower defense simulator creators solve this problem, but I have this problem, so it means I can solve that problem. And really, it works always, guys. It always works. So think about this. If you're really stuck on some big problems, so just, and guys, don't probably you just sometimes lose motivation when you start making really big projects. You don't need to make so big projects like for a couple of years development. The problem really, we lose fun because it's very long, it's very difficult tasks. So you need to create the game with a lot of mechanics solo. Make models, make GUI, make a code. Bro, this is you overwhelm yourself. This is overwhelm yourself, and you lose fun. This is how people works. So when we see the big task, oh no, I don't want to do that, because this is very hard. So this is okay, but to avoid this, I recommend you to not to make big games, not to make big projects alone, like so. Even if you have a team, I also not sure, like of course, if you all guys have a lot of experience and you know how to work with timings, with deadlines and so on. The good example, guys, about this game, certain game, I thought this game is possible to make in 30 days. Guys, today is 80 days already, and it's still in development. So anyway, I also need to develop the skill to feel how much time it takes, because it's pretty hard to understand, because it always seems, oh, this game is for 1 month to make, but after after 3 years, oh my god. Okay, so really, not to lose motivation, guys. I recommend you not to take the big projects. This is first, and don't remember, guys, everyone face difficulties, but I'm really proud of all of you guys, because you creators, instead of just do nothing, you spend time on making games. This is already, my brothers, this is already very cool, and you've already ahead like 90% of people who think about oh, should I start, maybe I should start when I have more powerful computer, maybe to develop the game I need more money, I don't have a YouTube channel to promote my game. You always find the reason why you shouldn't do that. And guys, you already ahead a lot of them, and don't forget about that. Yeah, sometimes you can move slow, sometimes I don't stream 6 hours, sometimes I stream 11 hours, like first 30 days of this project. I streamed a couple of days 11 hours a day, what the hell. Now sometimes I stream like 2 hours, 2 hours a day, because I also tired, I also a human, what the hell. So yeah, of course, sometimes I don't feel good myself, but sometimes I feel very good, and you need just to keep in mind that's not over. Sometimes you need to just, if you really don't want to work, bro, just forget about this on this day, give yourself a weekend and give yourself a rest. Go play computer games, go walk with friends, and forget about this work, bro. This work always will be here. This work always will be here. If you give yourself 1-2 week, even sometimes you need rest, nothing bad happens. Nothing bad happens. But it can help you not to burn out. This is very important, because have a rest, very important, guys. Because when I started making my first YouTube videos, guys, I slept like 3-4 hours every day, because I edit my videos. Not for this channel, not for this channel. This is 7th or 6th channel. When I started my first YouTube channel, I slept really. I uploaded videos on YouTube like every week, and I spent the whole week on making one, and slept like 3-4 hours a day. And it's absolutely and after that, burnout, absolutely. And I'll need like a lot of months to go back and to really enjoy about that, because really I couldn't see even Premiere Pro. I really tired of that to see that every day, and it was kind of nervous. So guys, really very important to give you some rest. Don't forget about that. Nothing bad happens if you relax a couple of days, if you really don't want to do something. But you don't need to judge yourself. This is also very important, because if you give yourself a rest and you think, oh, I could this time, or I could all this time work, bro, this is not a rest. This is absolutely not a rest. When guys, I tell you the main thing, when I finish this stream, I forget about all of that. Always. Of course, this is not this is not always, okay, this is not always, but usually it works. Like in 90% cases, like it works, and I forget. So of course I have a lot of things I need to do. I have a lot of things I need to think about this. But work over, you clear your mind about work. So the next day, when you start your work, you think about this. So you don't need to think about this 24 hours a day. This is absolutely you'll feel exhausted after that if you do that thing always. So that's it. That's it, my boys. But really, for you, maybe it'll be different. I just share your for you my experience, how it was for me, and of course, guys, we all people, and we all have sometimes bad days, sometimes bad mood, and that's okay. That's okay. You don't need to rely on that, like, oh, will be like always. No, bro. Today you feel bad, bro. In a week, you do it in 5 minutes. All this difficult task. This is usually like so. So don't worry, guys. Don't worry. Could you try my game? You can send the game in my Discord server, link in the description, and here's your creations channel. You can send the link here. Maybe some other guys try it your game, and sometimes I also play this game, and maybe sometimes I play even live these games. So you can send it here. Imagine the reaction of the player if the player got to meet the owner badge in my game. That's fine. This is like a April Fool thing. Looks like this looks like funny, bro, for April Fool's Day. Thanks for advice. Wow, man. No problem, bro. No problem. Hope it helps, bro. Hope it helps. Because I understood. I struggle with all of that a lot of time, and I'm still struggling from time to time with that. But anyway, I tried to change my mind about that. I'm working on that. I really trying to tell myself, bro, this is not true. This is, yeah, if you feel bad someday, this is not for always. This is not for whole life, bro. This is only a couple of days, couple of weeks, and that's over, bro. After that, you'll be productive again, and you'll feel a lot of energy later. So that's it. Profan, I made the plugin free for now, so if you need, you can claim it. That plugin you sent in Discord. Okay, bro. Thank you very much. Yeah, I checked that, bro. It wasn't free. I thought this was free at the beginning. Okay, bro. I'll check it later. Where are you from? I'm from Ukraine, bro. I'm from Ukraine. Probably the form doesn't work. Yeah. I am back, guys. I'm back. Sorry, my internet is a little shut down. Okay, wait 1 second. Okay, like this, I think. Okay, so hope all works. The stream is back to life. Yes, yes. Profan, are you back or are you setting up something? Because we can only see the lake background. Welcome back. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Yeah, my internet is stopped working for some reason, but now looks like all right. So let's go back here. So, okay. ID self data. ID self data. Let's check again. Okay. So we need to check if we have that here. Let's go. For ID in self data dot deals purchased do no, ID first, ID, just ID. If, let's make like that. If ID equal ID, then return true. If not, just return nothing. Return true end. If not, just return. Let's go. Let's go. Best deal is not valid member. What? Oh wait, no, my bad. Viewer, it's already contains best deals, yeah, like this probably. Okay, so I bought everything here, I think. Let's swipe the data. I want to check that. And let's go again. Okay. Oh, nice, nice. It works. Great. But we need to do that here also. Self-show. When we not clear, wait, where we do that? Oh wait, we don't need to do that, I think. Yeah, we probably don't need. So yeah, at first I set the plugin to $5 because I want to make some money so I can advertise my game later, but no one really bought it yet, probably because it's not done and not really popular. So I decided to make it free for now, and maybe in the future, after at least 50% send a review or something, I may change it back to $5. Oh, that's good approach, bro. This is definitely better. Like because yeah, probably a lot of people afraid of when they don't see any reviews about that, no any ratings here also, because from time to time I watch ratings when I add some plugins. I think a lot of people do that. So great approach anyway, bro. Great approach. Yeah, let me add this plugin, by the way, and I'll try that and give you a review, bro. Cross-reference finder instantly. Oh, bro. That's cool, bro. Let's go. Let's try it, bro. Okay. Toolbox first, I forget. So let's try. Oh, bro. Bro, this is amazing. Really, that's... Oh, bro, I can even open that. What the hell, bro? Bro, that's really cool plugin. Good job, good job. I really use that. Wait, close that. Data loaded. Bro, that's cool. That's cool. Good job. So guys, I recommend you to take this plugin. Oh, bro, for for this one, for where you have a lot of module script, this is definitely... Oh, what the hell, bro? This is insane. This is definitely what I need. Because when you have a lot of systems where a lot of module scripts, it's sometimes really hard to find something. Bro, cool, good job, good job. So thank you, bro, guys, who wanna get this plugin, welcome to Discord, my Discord server in your creations channel. Here is a pinned message in the chat, and this plugin allows, this is from Noel, who in the chat, This plugin allows you to get the path where you call instances, like module scripts, like events. For example, I wanna know where I call my test by event. You can see line 17. You can press, for example, here, and it opens your script and show where it placed. So guys, highly recommend you, and leave reviews, guys, if you like that plugin, if you use that. But for me, it's really will be helpful, bro. So that's it, bro. I can only put this, right? Because I don't know, maybe, or I can leave a comment here. I don't know, I can use it only. Okay, show full path. Okay, what if we don't use that? Okay, I've got it. Yeah, show full path probably for me will be better. Yeah, good job, bro, good job. Anyway, cool. So don't worry, bro, I'm 11 years old and I'm trying to program Tetris from a video. Good job, bro, good job. That's cool, that's cool. In 11 years, bro. Anyway, you making some steps, bro. If you start in so young age, bro, that's cool. That's really amazing, bro. That's really amazing. So just keep it up the good work, bro. Thanks. No problem, bro, no problem. Hope it helps you. After I'm gonna finish my Tetris game, I'm gonna try to learn how to script in Roblox. Bro, I think it will be not hard if you have some skills in Tetris game, because I don't know how to do that Tetris game, but definitely it helps you anyway, bro. Anyway, this is also experience. Hi, it's me again. Hello, welcome back. If I was having money, I swear I was gonna donate to you. Thank you very much, my friend. Oh, thank you very much, my friend. Also, you can press show full path in the settings, then it will show the full path to the script. Yeah, it's more comfortable to me. Full path. Thanks. Thank you, bro, for this plugin. This is really, because sometimes I really struggle with finding where I can require something, and when I clean up my game, sometimes I need to delete unusable events, for example, unusable module scripts, and it really helps, bro. It really helps. So good job. I really use that, I'm sure. Thank you so much. No problem, bro. If you can't, I would really appreciate a review at the creator store, but you don't have to if you don't wanna write right now. Yeah, I'm asking about you, bro, about this. In the creator store we have that. Let's check. Probably here. Oh, review. How to review, bro? I never do that. Tell me where I should do that. Yeah, bro, of course. This is cool feature and cool plugin, really, and so I wanna support you in this way. If I'm right, you have pressed to thumb sub icon again. Thumb sub icon. What is thumbs up, bro? or maybe here. Top 10 user experience website references. This is Roblox. It's a website where you find very hard to find something here. The green thumb review this set. Oh yeah, bro. Okay. Definitely. Always forget how to write, how to proper write these words. Definitely. Definitely. Like so. Hope it helps, bro. Hope it helps. So. Thank you so much. No problem, bro. No problem. This is really useful plugin. This is the first, and good job. Really, you make helpful things a lot. So I'm pretty sure I use it. I'm pretty sure I use it a lot. What is your username, mate? Good, bro. Good. If you wanna add me in Roblox, you can better join my Discord or my Roblox group, bro, because I'm not playing Roblox a lot. So if we play together, bro, I tell you on the I tell on the stream how to find myself. So just be here, stay tuned. Because guys, the main problem of that, because all notifications from Roblox website, from Roblox player, I get here, and whereas whether you have a lot of players, when you have a lot of connections, as it is called now, they appears for some reason right here, because probably this is like Roblox player, connected with Roblox player, I think, I don't know. And when you have a lot of invitations to any games, and it's really disturbing, guys. So sorry. So that's why I decided not to add a lot of people, only with who I really like work a lot. And that's it, because guys, I even don't play Roblox a lot, very rarely, at least for now. how, bro, it is important. What important, bro? What? What? Sorry, guys. What important, bro? So. Okay. So we get here the data, and we need to update that. We need to call the show and offer ID. I want to make a game, but it will fall under copyright. Do you think they will ban me? I see so many games under copyright, but they don't get banned. Why? Bro, I'm absolutely have zero experience about this question. You probably need to find the answer of that question on developer forum or somewhere else. Because I don't know, I never faced like this, bro. I never faced copyright issues on Roblox, so I can't respond about this. Really, try developer forum, bro. Try developer forum, and probably I'm sure you find some info here, definitely. Self show, I think like this one, and self-selected item ID maybe. Do you mean to make something unique of your own? No, bro. I mean, no, bro. I mean, you can find. So you're asking, like, you ask me, do you think they will ban me? I see too many games under copyright, but they don't get banned. Why? I told you I answer about this question. So I never get copyright issues, and probably better to see maybe some other people face the same problems, definitely on developer forum with their games, and you see if their games was banned or not, were banned or not. Do you mean to make something unique of your own? This is definitely better, bro, but so what's the problem? Why you get copyrighted, bro? You just take someone's game and remake it a little bit like so, or what? So, or how it works? Or maybe for some models inside the game you get your game got copyrighted. I don't know, bro. Tell me what's the reason. Because, or you just take the game and remade it a lot, like modded game. Let's wipe the data. Okay. After pressing the data. Wait, maybe I don't have a data here. Maybe I don't have a data. Print success data. I wanna see that. True nil. Okay, I've got it. What's the problem? I've got it. What's the problem? Yes, guys, I've got it. Why it's so? I want to make tower defense Tom and Jerry, and I think this is bad idea because I will get a warning after delete my game. It's a shame that this happens in Roblox. Tower defense Tom and Jerry. I think, bro, who owner of Tom and Jerry? Probably, bro, that's the problem, like with or Disney usually, or someone also, some company have always there's always problems with that. Probably that's because you use Tom and Jerry, bro. This is probably Tom and Jerry problems. Maybe because of that, I think. So, bro, they also wanna to keep their rights. So it works in two ways. So you don't need to worry about that, bro. They also made, this is their project, this is their invested money, this is their work, and if they don't want to use that, they don't allow to use that, so this is absolutely their right, and I won't judge them, bro. So better just to avoid that, or choose another topic, choose another characters, and or just create your own characters if you want. So that's it, bro. By the way, you have cool animations on buttons. Good, good job. Thank you very much, bro. Thank you very much. So let's go inside data controller, and we need not data controller, in data. No, inside I think application layer. True self data. Remote controller server remote. Yeah, here probably. Yes. Yeah, like this, I think. Let's wipe our data first to check that. Okay, let's go, my boys. Boom! Nice, finally. All great, all great. So now it stores here, and it works. It works, my boys. Thanks so bunch. I think I'll take a risk. I hope it works out and they won't give a warning. But thanks again. I realized that I need to change something and so on in the model. No problem, bro. No problem. Just if this happens, bro, it's really helpful to place yourself on their place. Imagine you make some project and you have full rights on that, and someone wanna earn money on your project which for example you made for a very long time it was unique. It's your unique project. Like this is really, so you really wanna keep it yours, and someone just wanna take that and earn money on that. So, or maybe change that in a bad way, use it in a bad way or something like so. So don't worry, bro, don't worry. So let's make the same for our tabs. Let's make. What's up, bro? I'm back. What's up, bro? Welcome back. Go to best deals tab, and okay, we have a data here. We have a data here. We need to make here. Can we get access to? Can we get access to our? What's here? What's here? Let's print self. What methods we have? Buttons, data. Okay. So how we can connect? How we can connect that? So I need to update. When we buy something, we need to update. Or wait. No. No, guys. We will make it different. We don't use the functions. Because remote functions, this is good if we have one source. Instead of that, we'll make it different. Okay, let's go in our remote factory, and let's make here as remote event. Buy special instead of buy special here. Go to local remotes and change this method to this one. Remote events. Instead of return, we just call that fire server, and that's it. Now let's go inside our server remotes, and we receive instead of this function, we receive event also. Remote event by special, and let's do that. Like this one. Player deal all the same. We accept we can't return something here. Can't return. If success and data, then okay, let's make it like it was before, almost. End. We need to call the same thing like this one. Self-remote events by special our client player success and data. Maybe we don't need success really. If we return the data, that's enough, I think. Yeah, why not? Player just data, and we send here if data. Here is a nil. Or wait. Okay, we can do that like so, really. If no data, then return end. But after this one, we don't need to update that, all that thing. So let's go to our application layer and here. Self data. Like this one, I think. And what it gives to us, what's the difference, maybe you can ask. Difference very big, because now we can just go in local remote and we can just receive some events. Right here, but okay, wait, remote event, what is remote event? One second, guys. One second, guys. One second. 1 second, guys. I'm here, guys. Bro, I heard that if your game is deleted, then it was bought Game Pass. Roblox is coming back to people. Do you know that? No, bro, no. Never heard about that. Okay. Just data we need to get here. We should just to call all we need here. What we need here? We need this is not the best thing, like we call local remotes here, so it will be even better now. Or wait, no, we should call that anyway here. Just local remotes. And here will be a thing. Yeah, right here, I think. Or wait, maybe just call function best best deal sphere. salt frame and data here. Yeah, I think like this one. Salt frame. So we need presentation layer, local, best deals viewer. We need best deals viewer equals require presentation layer viewer controller best deals viewer. Best deals viewer or wait. Okay, answer on client event. Wait, maybe not. We need to call it with self. So wait, how we can get that? Local remotes, okay. So okay, let's try, but I'm sure it doesn't work properly. Best deals viewer. Okay, what if we take local remotes? We need to subscribe on these events like this, I think. Bro, I'm very grateful to you for the advice. Thank you. Good luck to you. I'm off. Bye. Oh, no problem, bro. No problem. Hope it helps to you. Thank you. Good luck to you too, bro. Good luck to you too. Thank you. So. I need to subscribe somehow to my event. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe like local remotes. I don't know, maybe like this. I'm not sure. I'm sure it doesn't work at all, to be honest. Oh yeah. We can't call that anyway. Let's delete that. Wipe data first. Okay. Time to index new. Oh wait. Self remote events by special. Maybe I forget to create that. Let's check our remotes by special. We have that. Okay, self remote events by special. Maybe like so. Remote event by special for client. Need to wipe data again. Okay. Oh, nice. Okay. It's better. It's better. So what about this one? This is like callback should be. Sure. My boys, we get the data here. What the hell? I can't even imagine that. It makes all of that easier. What the hell, my boys? Let's go. Let's go. It's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. Let's try again. If it's work properly. Let's go, my boys. All works. Okay, we just can subscribe on these events from somewhere, and that's cool. Absolutely amazing. It's easy. So like this, we go just here, and we just can make it here. Do we have init or something? Best deals init. Let's take local remotes here. Okay, let's go here. I don't know, maybe we don't need to initialize that, but probably we need. I think we need. So we need to also check bot ID here. And make the same thing here. Deal ID. So what a frame. After template parent, I think we can do it here. I think, why not? Let's go to see our templates. Items frame. This is shop, okay. Items, templates, big template here, and salt frame. So what is template? Let's see. Deal type big. Okay, template, frame, team folder, template, clone. Okay, like this, for example. And here, template dot button. Let's copy better, not to mess up with that. Button. Canvas group. What the hell? Why I'm doing like so? What the hell? Instead of doing all of that, we can just take elements like this. Elements. This is already template, button, canvas group. Not to repeat myself, I do like so. So let's go, my boys. Checkbot of a table. Call method checkbot of a table. Print deal. What is deal? Term to call is missing method checkbot. Fair. Fair, probably. So we don't have a method. This problem not here. Yeah, of course, because there's best deal stop. Like this. Let's go. Nice. Let's go, my boys. And also we need to update this for our, like, in real time we need to update that. First maybe that's the problem with all of the, oh yeah, I forget the main thing about this. We need to create deals again. Create deals. I don't know if it's possible without init. No, we need initialize probably that. Let's go. Right here in constructor, I don't have any doubts about that. We can do that. Why not? Anyway, it doesn't work. Let's check why it doesn't work. I have some. Okay, let's check print data without init, if it's work or not. Yeah, let's first wipe data to see. I'm really tired of wiping that every time. Let's make it a bit different. Let's go and create system, infrastructure. Oh no, not create system, shop, configs, current week deal. What is week? Now this week, right? Let's make like so. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. What about this? Two probably also we can delete. Let's go. Okay, nice. So we can buy one. The data doesn't work. If we initialize that, let's try again. It works. Okay, great. So we need initialize that anyway. But what is create deals problem? Create deals. Print bot I wanna just see. Oh wait, no. The problem, I found the problem. What's the problem, guys? Because we not actualize our data, of course, my boys. That's the problem. Because here we need to do like so. That's why it doesn't work. Let's go, my boys. All works great. So when we solve that, it's solved. Great. It's solved. And let's make one more thing here about this. So what is button? Let's place it here. Template button, okay. Button Okay, button. This is what is button. Text button probably, or image button. Image button. Okay. Image button. Button. Activate active equals to false. If not, equals to true. Like this one. And let's now try that. Nothing happened. Nice, because it's over. This works, but when we buy, that doesn't work anymore. Nice. Maybe, yeah, let's make one more thing here. When it's only animations work. Yeah, look, animation works for active elements only. Oh, like so. Now they works. When we buy, for example, this one or this, that doesn't work, and we can't press that again because it's sold for us. Yeah, great. And I buy this one, for example, it doesn't work anymore. Also, inside the viewer, we need to hide our button. Of course, we need to hide our button, so we can't buy anymore. Okay, function. Let's create a method just for that. Sold. Self sold. And here's where's self buttons by creates button by dot. Okay, local okay, buy button. Image button. Whereas we can press our button. A buy button active equals to false, and here is equals to true. And visible probably. Let's try first this one. Yeah, and let's hide that. Button visible false. Here's button visible true. Like this. So, oh wait, what the hell? Oh wait, no. Wait, where I do that? Oh no. I do all of that here, not here. I should do it here, yeah. By button visible true, and here is false, like this one. Let's go. Yeah, we can't buy it again. Why I can... Okay, oh yeah. Here is button. Active equals to false. Forget about that. And here is true. Or wait, maybe I can check that. Maybe I can check that anyway. I can select that, but I can't buy it, just like so. So let's wipe the data and see if we have some problems with that. For example, I buy this one, sold. Okay, great. Nice. Yeah, it's sold, I can't buy it again. So nice, I like that, my boys. I like that. So my boys, I think for today that's over. We did a great work, and see you soon, bro. See you soon, my brothers. So my boys, thank you all who watched, thank you all who was here. I appreciate that, and we'll see probably tomorrow. So I anyway tell you in Discord, my boys. So bye bye, thanks for watching.